In this question, you have to identify the primary producers of the deep sea hydrothermal vent ecosystem. Option A, blue-green algae. It is incorrect because blue-green algae, that is cyanobacteria, are photosynthetic microorganisms that require sunlight to produce energy. But in the deep sea hydrothermal vent ecosystem, sunlight is absent. So they cannot function as primary producers. Option B, coral reefs. It is also incorrect because coral reefs are found in shallow water and are not primary producers. Rather, they rely on symbiotic algae, that is zooxanthellae, for energy, which also requires sunlight. Option C, green algae. It is also incorrect because these are photosynthetic and they depend on sunlight. So they cannot survive in the lightless environment of the deep sea hydrothermal vents. Option D, chemosynthetic bacteria. Now these bacteria are the primary producers in the deep sea hydrothermal vent ecosystems because they use chemical energy from compounds like hydrogen sulfide, which is abundant in these areas because of the emissions to produce organic molecules through chemosynthesis. So these bacteria form the base of the food web in this type of ecosystem. Hence, it is the correct option.